What's up, guys? This is exactly how I made $28,000 USD on the day today. You can see this is not, when I say $28,000, this is not some combine. This is actual money. These are expresses. So I'm using Topstep, a reliable funded platform. Be careful out there because a lot of other gurus or whatever you want to call them, they're faking stuff. So I'm showing you the real truth, and you can see I could back that up with 5 payouts right here. These are about a $35,000 Canadian payout, and I'm about to get another pretty much $35,000 payout to my bank after today's winning day. And so we took 2 trades today, one of the best days I've seen in a long time. I only took 2 trades this week, both on Forex swing trading, and both 2 for 2 on that. And then I took 2 trades today on the Nasdaq. So I'm pretty much 4 for 4 on this week. And it was a slow week in the start for the Nasdaq for me. I didn't get my levels hit, what I wanted to see. But today we got that, and today we banked hard. And that is why, guys, you have to apply what I'm going to teach you today, that I made $5,500 on each account today alone. So being patient and waiting for a quality setup like what I saw today, good price action, I made way more than what I would have made if I'm chasing shitty setups from earlier in the week. So a nice day today. Let's get right into what I saw. So again, you can see here, we have the 5 expresses that were copy trading, and you guys saw the payouts from before. So now what were the actual trades? I know this is what you guys want to see. All right, most of my entries came. What was my bias on the day? My bias, obviously, we were super bearish on the day, and I wanted to wait for a high confluence, a high strong key zone in the market to get tapped. What is that high key zone? You guys can see how respected this first presented key zone is. It's a custom private indicator, so not everyone has access to it. It is in the link down below. It is private if you do want to get access to it. But you can see when it is red, it is clearly showing a bearish rejection. Look, it tapped it once. That was my entry, which I'll get into. Twice dumped, 3 times dumped. What happens here? When it inverses, it's going to turn green. It's going to be the exact opposite. It is a strong key zone inverse to then bounce off of. So let's break this down now. All right. So bias was super bearish coming into the day. What do we see? First presented gets created here. I'm letting price create a low. Price creates a low. This is what I'm going to target. All right. So it creates a low, does not get tapped into this high, very strong key zone. What do I wait for? Taps in, get a entry signal. We wick it. It's respecting. We close underneath the 50%. Boom. Stop loss was a $25 stop, pips, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes I do it right above the key zone. It all depends. What I also do is I go onto Topstep X and use even the 15-second time frame just to get an even sniper entry, even sniper placement of my stop loss. And then I was targeting these lows down here. That was 110 points that it ran for, a 5-to-1 risk toward ratio. These key zones, guys, always give me super high risk toward ratios. I don't go for 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s. That is more what I do for the Forex swings. I go for about 1-to-2, 1-to-3s. But for these, I could get some 1-to-3s, 1-to-4s, 1-to-5s, 1-to-10s, all with these key zones. So I was up a good amount on the day off this setup, and I wanted to now, I have some money to play with. I was waiting for another possible setup. One of my levels I had down here got hit, and this was the low of day. So the level got hit that I wanted to see. I knew this had really strong potential to be the low of day. All I waited for was these EMAs to cross over. Really quick, guys, I wanted to take a moment to show you the stock trading platform that has been revolutionizing my entire investing experience. As you guys know, I day and swing trade commodities, but I also highly recommend diversifying into the stock market to let your money work for you. The platform that I use is called Moomoo, and it's a powerful all-in-one trading platform trusted by more than 27 million users around the world, including the United States, Canada, Singapore, Australia, Japan, and more. And what I love about it, besides the fact that there is $0 commissions on US stocks, ETFs, and options, is all the research tools you have available. For example, if I want to lean more towards a dividend-heavy portfolio for a passive income approach, I can use your screener tool by going to Market, Screeners, select high dividends, and filter from then what fits my criteria. And right now they are running a crazy promo specifically for my audience where you can earn up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stocks when you make a qualified deposit. So join me and the 27 million other people also using Moomoo around the world and take advantage of my exclusive offer by either scanning the QR code on the screen or click the link down below. Thanks to Moomoo for sponsoring this video. But let's get back to it. Entered off that crossover, stops right below the candle, 20-point stops, and this ran for about 180 points. So that's about a 1 to 10, 9.3 RR, and super solid trade. You could see what happens when this level gets hit. Shift structure, comes back to retest. This is why I didn't go break even, because I'm risking not a lot on these tight stops. They're big RRs. I don't go break even because sometimes what the market wants to do, the market wants to come tap out the break even, because this was the low of the day. I knew the market wants to manipulate, grab these break even traders to then have the big run. So really knowing when to go break even comes with market experience. But after it breaks this high here and gets respected, that is where I go break even. So after it touches the break even point once, like in this scenario, that is where I will go break even afterwards, or obviously trail my stops even. But real quick, just to prove I actually did catch low a day and I was in these buys, I will pop up a screenshot that I took somewhere on the screen. You guys could see I realized some gains, as well as I still had some runners going on that. So you guys could see right there, the entry, pretty much low a day. All right, so there you go, guys. That is the trade recap for the day. Pretty much 30 bands Canadian for me. I'll take it. And again, the key point I want to help you guys out with on this is how patient. I didn't take any Nasdaq trades throughout the week, and I just had one day that made up for more profits than the whole week that I need. So 5,500 in a single day, because these were such high quality setups, clean price action, clean conviction on both. So that's the big thing I want to leave you guys with. Patience, patience, patience. I already know next week is going to be a fire week. I was also not taking a lot of trades because of all-time highs, but you guys can see now we had a nice retracement from all-time highs. So we're going to have both very nice buy and sell setups, which is absolutely amazing for my trading. So if you guys want to get in on some of the same trades that I take, send them out. My analysis on the market every single Sunday, and one-to-one mentorship, so you know the exact levels I get, as well as what to look for when trading, and have a profitable system where you're risking less, you're going for high RR trades, then that is going to be the first link down below for my one-on-one mentorship group. And I will say, guys, this is most likely the last month I am keeping my mentorship slots open, just because I want to focus more on my current community, my trading, and obviously traveling a lot for the winter. So if you do want to make a change in your trading, if you do want to secure payouts like I'm securing, apply down below now and start working with me. Otherwise, I hope you guys still enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, comment. The next video, let's just say, is going to be a banger vlog in New York City. So stay tuned for that one.